Hi, my name is Deanne Redfarron. My husband Greg and I are both master gardeners and master naturalists. In order to get our volunteer hours, we participate in the CoCoRaHs Rain Gauge Monitoring Program. The rain gauge is this one that I have next to me, and it is on a pole, I guess about 4 feet tall. It's important to locate your pole and your rain gauge somewhere where there are no trees around so you get a true reading. The rain gauge has 4 parts. The first part is secured to the pole, and then you have a funnel for catching your water, your tube for measuring it, and this is your overall canister. It's very easy to assemble. Basically, your funnel holds your tube in the center, if I can get that on there. And then the whole thing just slides on your pole. If I can get that. Okay. So every day you come out at approximately the same time and you measure your rainfall. Even if it hasn't rained, you still need to log into the account on the CoCoRaHs app and put in 0.0. So let's show you how to actually measure some rain. I'm going to use red soda so it's easier to see. I'm almost at the top here. I think you can see that. And when I read it, the gauge inside is marked off very clearly by tenths of an inch. This I poured in, it goes to about 0.69. So on the gauge it reads 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. You just put a decimal in front of whatever your reading is, and that's what you enter in the CoCoRaHs app. So, what happens if you get more than an inch of rain? Well, obviously the small tube inside is not going to hold it. There's a groove inside, and that allows all the extra to run off into your bigger canister. Let me show you this. So here it is. I have my inch of rain in the small tube, and then it ran over into the bigger canister. So, to measure this, first thing I'm going to do is remember that this is an inch, dump it out, and then I'm going to pour my remainder back into the tube and read it again. So this is 0.67. So on the CoCoRaHs app, I would enter 1.67. Do this every day. It's a very, very easy project. It's fun to track how much water and rain you've had. In the past week, we had, I think, 5.25 inches of rain in about a week's time. And if we hadn't been entering that on the app, we wouldn't have been able to look it back up and see how much rainfall we had. Thank you for listening. This is a great citizen science project. Good luck.